Alright, so, hi, my name is Devansh. I'm a rising senior at Homestead High. And for my starter project, I made an electronic dice, which is basically a normal dice, but fancy. It gave me the necessary experience for my main project. It introduced hardware that I would be needing and plenty of soldering experience. For my main project is this robotic hand, which I started a couple days later. And it basically mimics the movements of this glove. And so, just a little bit of a demo. Let me just put this on. Alright. Alright. Is it out of charge? It might be. Well, that's too bad. I'll explain how it works and then we'll get back to that. So how it works is that there are 4 flex sensors on the glove. And that basically reads my finger's inputs and sends it to this little Arduino right here that basically then uses NRF, which is nearby radio frequencies, to transfer the data to this other Arduino. This other Arduino then sends the data to these servo motors, which then rotate proportional to how much I bend the finger. And the servo motors are attached to 2 strings, one to pull the finger down and one to pull the finger back up. Everything is charged, powered by the computer, and the servo motors are powered by this battery. So some challenges I faced when doing this project is definitely the hand. The hand was so annoying. It's basically, each servo motor is attached to 2 strings, as I said, but each string would sometimes loosen or break, and I would have to redo that finger, and it was quite challenging. The glove as well, the flex sensors would sometimes loosen or bend on its own, messing with the entire project. But despite that, I got it done, and I have many plans for the future. Some plans I had were maybe having the robotic hand rotate about the wrist, maybe adding stones or neopixels to the back of the hand to simulate like an infinity gauntlet, or maybe adding the thumb to the entire ensemble. My overall experience at Blue Stamp was definitely something. I made a lot of friends who were all passionate about the same things I was. The mentors, Eduardo, Sky, Asher, Rish, all challenged me to learn on my own without telling me the exact answer. And that really improved the way I learned something. I didn't need constant guidance, but I learned how to learn on my own, which I think is a very important takeaway. And I made a whole bunch of friends, which I think was worthwhile the experience. Thank you. Right, let's see, Demon Magic, please work.
Do we have any questions while he's setting this up? Vincent!
Ooh, Devansh, why didn't you sew the sensors onto the glove instead of using electrical tape?
So there was another genius in my group who also decided to, I'm not going to name any names, he's in that direction, who also thought about taping and showed me how little work it is, and so I decided to go with that rather than sew. Let me see. I don't know what exactly happened. Oh. Did that happen? I'll get back to you on this.
We'll have him bring it back.
Yeah. Alright, thank you.
Oh,
questions.
Just a question, did you 3D print this hand yourself?
Yes, so this is 3D printed. I didn't make it myself. We got an Instructable online which already designed the hand. Any
He
more
did build it,
questions?
he assembled it.
I assembled it, yes. Great.
Oh,
See if we get you go.
Alright. I have no idea. I mean, this is all part of the plan. This was actually like, alright, there we go.